Hi, I'm Andy. I'm the Schnucks Cheese Guy. Today we're going to talk about 3 of my favorite Farmstead cheeses made right here in the Midwest. I call them Farmstead cheeses because it's really what they are. These don't ever leave the farm. So the cows are milked in the milking parlor. That milk is transported over to the cheese make room, and the cheesemakers make cheese from the milk that was milked right on the same farm. So the cheese never leaves the farm, therefore it's called Farmstead cheese, which is a pretty cool thing to really know that the products you're eating all came from one place. So the first one we're going to talk about today is Hemi Brothers. Hemi Brothers is from Sweet Springs, Missouri. David and his 4 sons make some really incredible cheeses. They make a cheese called Quark, which is like a fresh chev, but it's made out of cow's milk. That's actually won quite a few awards. They have great cheese curds and also some great cheddars. And so today what we're going to talk about is the Applewood smoked cheddar. When you eat smoked cheeses, a lot of times you get that smoked flavor really takes over. For this cheese, it's more about just an accent, and you can taste the buttery flavors, you can taste the nutty flavors in this cheese, and the smoke is just there just to give it an extra little bit of flavor. So really the finish on this is like melted butter with a little touch of smoke. So it's smoked over applewood bark and chips, and it gives us like a real roasted nut flavor too. So I like to pair this with a nice grainy mustard is good on with this cheese, and some nice charcuterie, a nice piece of salami or something goes with it, and then follow it up with a brown ale. Really fantastic pairing for this cheese from Hemi Brothers. Next one, we're going to leave Missouri. We're going to go out to Greenville, Illinois. So this is Marcotte Jersey Creamery. If you look on the packaging, it says 7 generations of Jerseys. Amy and Beth's family immigrated over here and actually brought one of the cows with them, and that cow started the herd that they're still producing milk from today. So this is a cave-aged Gouda. So a Gouda really is got a little sweeter tones to it. So this Gouda, the way they make Gouda in all Goudas is they wash the curds. So once they drain the whey from the curds, if you're making Gouda, you'll wash it, you'll put water over it, and it takes some of the lactic acid away and gives it some more sweet notes. So you'll get sweet notes with this cheese, a little bit sour, and again it's or bitter more than sour, but it's very soft, and so this is a good just snacking cheese. You can cut up into pieces and eat it on its own. I really like it with some nice nuts. I've got some Marcotte almonds. I've actually got some pecans and stuff that were caramelized that really go good with that, and those caramel notes and those pecans really make the flavor in this cheese come out nicely. But really great on a good piece of bread or just a good snacking cheese. So this is the cave-aged Gouda from Marcotte Jersey Creamery. And the last one is Ludwig Farmstead Creamery. So again, it's got it in the name, you know that it's Farmstead. This is their Vermillion River Blue. And this is one that's just got so many cool things going on. It's a triple cream cheese. So you hear a lot about that in brie. You don't hear that much in just regular pieces of cheese. The folks at Ludwig add cream to the milk when they're making the cheese to get it really more creamy, and actually makes it a really good melting cheese. And then the starter cultures that they put in have blue cheese cultures in it, so it gives you can see there's little sections in this cheese that have some of the blue cheese in there. Gives it nice soft notes of blue cheese, but not real strong. It's a good starter blue cheese if you want to get into, if you're not sure if you like blue cheese, this is a good one to start with. But a great snacking cheese, a great melter, makes a great grilled cheese sandwich for sure. So you can find all of these cheeses at your local Schnucks. If you don't have a Schnucks in your area, you can get these at your local farmer's market, or I suggest going online and looking in Google and just local cheeses in my area. Find some local cheeses, go out and try some local cheeses, support your community, support these pivotal parts of our economy and these families that really make some amazing stuff and are absolutely undeniably dairy.